Yeah, we just became aware of the fact that our investments, mutual funds, were not invested biblically responsibly. And so we thought about moving those, and we are planning to. But the question is, in light of all the things going on in our country, would it be a wise move for us to think of paying off our home mortgage instead of trying to reinvest those in another company or in gold or something like that?
So I'm not a fan of gold. Gold is still a speculative commodity, just like equities are. It doesn't pay a dividend. Now, are these funds in a qualified type of account, like a retirement account, or are they just in an investment account?
Yeah, I meant to mention that they're in an investment account, but we have separate IRAs, so it's not touching the IRAs.
And what is the rate on your mortgage?
I'm actually not sure. My wife is handling that, but it's fairly low.
Okay. So I'm not a fan. Now, how many years do you have left to work?
On the house is probably quite a few, like 20 or something.
How many years do you plan to work?
Oh, to work? Another 7 or 8 years.
Okay. So I would be a fan of maybe increasing the amount that you're putting towards your mortgage to get it paid off by the time that you retire. But I wouldn't be a fan of, I wouldn't be a fan of liquidating all of your investments to pay off the home, just because money has to have a home. So whether it's invested in equities or metals, or whether you're paying off your mortgage, when you do that, you're investing the money in your home. So the only way to get that money back out in the future is going to be to sell that piece of property, or ask a financial institution if you can borrow that money back out. So if you have a really low interest rate, which I suspect that you do just based on the timing of everything, we've seen mortgage rates really low for a long time. If you decide that you need that money for something else and you have to go borrow it again, you're going to have to do it at a much higher rate. So I would just stay the course that you're on, maybe direct a little bit more money to paying down that mortgage, maybe try to get it paid off by the time that you retire.